Now we're learning about perfect square trinomials. A perfect square trinomial happens when you square a binomial. When you multiply a binomial by itself, the result is always a perfect square trinomial. For example, x plus 3 squared means x plus 3 times x plus 3. When you expand that, you get x squared plus 6, x plus 9. So a perfect square trinomial always comes from something squared. Here's how to check if a trinomial is a perfect square. First, the first term must be a perfect square. Second, the last term must be a perfect square. Third, the middle term must equal 2 times a times b. Example 1. We're given x squared plus 6, x plus 9. X squared is a perfect square, and 9 is also a perfect square. Now check the middle term. 6x equals 2 times x times 3. So the rule works. That means this trinomial factors as x plus 3 squared. Example 2. Now we have 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. Four x squared is a perfect square and 25 is a perfect square. Check the middle term. Negative 20x equals 2 times 2, x times negative 5. So this trinomial factors as 2x minus 5 squared. Now let's practice identifying and factoring perfect square trinomials. Each time check. First term square, last term square, middle term equals 2ab.